Hello students, 12th standard HSC board, all the other subjects going on very difficult, online lectures, classes online, college online, then on top of that parents, no meeting of friends. I know it is very difficult, but yes, now we have to study and begin studying. So before that, before studying or before starting to prepare your answers and subjects and understanding the lessons and all, what I would like to do, first plan, sit down, Shanti say you start planning what and how and when and who and from where you are supposed to do it or you prepare it for your study. Okay, now how to begin that? Okay, for example, say you have your English subject for that matter. So how will you go with it? So English is already very easy for you because the text has already divided in a very different and a very systematic manner. Section 1, you know that it is prose. Section 2, you know that it is poetry. Section 3, you know that it is writing skills. And section 4, you know it is drama. Okay, now this is already simplified version of how you should prepare. So what I feel is you should go section wise, but not to forget, when you go section wise, you go fail, you go bored because you at times go stop because again and again chapters, it is boring. You need some variations. So how will you go with it? Sometimes you do a poem, sometimes you prepare a chapter or read a chapter, sometimes you just sit and write. Writing practice is the essence. Okay, now why this English subject? Yes, every student, how many lectures, wherever I go to take lectures, everyone asks me the same question, why ma'am English is the subject? Because you have taken this as a subject. It is not a subject at all. It is a language that you are learning. And not to forget that English is the only subject which is omnipresent to all the entrance exams you want to give in your further studies, for your further career. And not to forget, all the job vacancies will not have who is fluent in mathematics, who is fluent in computer and etc. etc. It will always be a person who is fluent in English. So be it you become a doctor or you become an engineer or you become a CA or you become a normal teacher, be of any other language or be any other subject. But don't you think that English is the way to communicate? And if you are not fluent enough in English, don't you think that you have lack of confidence to speak up? Maybe you have great ideas, but you are not able to present it properly and convey it properly to the masses. Communication is the key. And when it comes to the communication part, not to forget, the language is the key. And when language is the part, English is the key. I know, being in India, Hindi is the Matrubhasha and everything. But yes, now the official language at times when we communicate is English. And Hindi to वैसे भी you are easily able to speak. But when it comes to English, you have to learn, you have to practice, you have to recite, you have to speak up. You should have the practical knowledge, the basic knowledge, and then only you will be able to speak up properly, with confidence, with a proper thought conveyed in a proper, presented on a proper communication plate. So I hope you understand the importance of this subject, because this subject is not only the subject but the language, and that language will definitely give you confidence in your further career, in your life, to brag in front of your friends, to brag on social media, your network, your parents, your relatives, your boss, everyone. When you are good at speaking, you have everything in you. Maybe you might not score very good in every other subject, but still if you are good at speaking, you are good at presenting your ideas, come on, you are the boss then. So I hope you understand the essence of this subject, essence of this language, and stay tuned on this channel and learn whole lot of stuff with me, who is a mad person who is passionate about teaching and cannot even think a single day without without books, without reading, or you can say without speaking to anybody about this, or without teaching. It is an inseparable part of me. So stay tuned for other videos coming ahead, lined up back to back. Yes, I'm too excited and waiting for your views, your comments, your subscriptions, your like, and your bell notification button. Stay tuned. Till then, goodbye.